Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you, well, if you're an Uber driver, how Uber drivers can save 99 cents per gallon with this brand new app that is most likely in your area. So that's what I'm gonna be talking about today. Use the link in the description down below to sign up, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get 99 cents per gallon. So again, use the link in the description down below. If you use my referral code, you're gonna get a bonus in order to achieve that. It's for an app called GetUpside. So use the link in the description down below. And now let me show you how you can get, as an Uber driver, 99 cents off per gallon. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you exactly how to get 99 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up gas. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna walk you through it really quick how the process works. So this is the app GetUpside. People earn cash back, business make more, that's how we get upside. So essentially, this app has partnerships with gas stations, so they kind of are winning too. I mean, they're making money, don't get me wrong. They're directing you towards specific gas stations. Obviously, there's a ton of money in gas and oil and stuff. So they're gonna direct you to gas stations that typically do cost a little bit more, but you're gonna get 99 cents back per gallon. I mean, they might cost 10, 5 cents, 15 cents more, but you know, the savings that you will get is gonna be astronomically more. Even you're gonna save more than if you go fill up at Costco. Okay, you think Costco gas is cheap? When you fill up gas with this, you're gonna make more. You're gonna save a lot more money than if you go to Costco. I hate when I show people this app and they're like, oh, well, you know, I save more money going to Costco. I'm like, okay, well, do you get 99 cents off per gallon? They're like, well, I get a lot off. I'm like, okay. The way it works is you get 15 cents off per gallon when you use the link and use somebody's referral code, so when you use that. But, I mean, this is how much I've made. I made $2,082 just by referring people, but I just want to show you, this is what I made last time I filled up. So the last time I filled up, I got $1,226. So I actually filled up 50 gallons because they're gonna pay you for 50 gallons, and I got more money back per gallon than the actual cost of the gas. So I made, let's see, just do some quick math here, 1,226 divided by 50, I made $24.50 back per gallon. So I went way over the 99 cents. It's unlimited, so you can, you know, refer as many people as you want. Every single time you refer someone, you're gonna get 15 cents off per gallon. So just really quickly, 99 cents divided by 15, six, 7 people, all you need to refer. Everyone fills up gas, okay? Refer your mom, refer your sister. You can refer family members. You can refer your dog. Does your dog fill up gas? Well, probably not, but go refer your friends, post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram. When they sign up using your link, so you use my link first, then use your link, and then make sure they type in your code like you're gonna type in my code. They're gonna get 15 cents off per gallon. And you only need 6 of them, and you get 99, well, if you get 6 times 0.15, you'll get 6 times 0.15. You'll get 90 cents. But if you do 7 times 0.15, you'll get $1.05. So for me, I did 1,226, and again, I did 50 gallons, so I got $24.52 back per gallon, roughly. So I refer, what is that, divided by 0.15. So I had 163 people I signed up, mostly from this group, but also from friends. I actually went to my gas station and told the person who worked there to sign up, and he signed up because he was like, 15 cents off per gallon, that's amazing. And I'm like, dude, you can get 99 cents off per gallon or even more. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Really quickly, I'll run you through the app just so you guys kind of know how it works. I'll just go to an arbitrary location. I'll type in Laguna Beach. Let's say I go to Laguna Beach. This right here, if I go here, I'll get $1.60. I don't live near here, I'm 13 miles away, so you guys can't stalk me. $1.63 back per gallon when I go to fill up. So instead of it costing $2.96, it's $1.33. So, and this works at any of these gas stations, so 76. Let's just type in Los Angeles. So, they're not in everywhere. Well, this isn't a little, oh yeah, so yeah, it's mostly 76 I found, and like mobile gas stations, but it should be in your area. If it's not, they are mostly nationwide. They're in a bunch of the biggest cities. So my network, I referred 863 people. All you want to do is go into here, so you'll get 15 cents off per gallon, and then every time your friend buys gas, guys, you're gonna get 1 cent off. So you want to refer a lot of people, so you just keep getting rewards. I can go into mine. I get these notifications every day. Is like, today I just got this morning. $1.50 I got back. $1.47. $1.21. Sometimes they're bigger, sometimes they're less. Yeah, usually I get about $1.50 back per day just in cash, just straight to my PayPal. And oh yeah, and by the way guys, the way you're gonna get money is you're gonna get money through this app, and then you can redeem it for gift cards, you can redeem it for PayPal. So you just go here, you can get an Amazon gift card, or you can have them mail you a check, or just do PayPal, because honestly, I feel like having cash directly in my bank account is the best way to do it. So anyways, that's how you get 99 cents off per gallon. Thank you all for watching today's video. Go out there, make some money, don't spend money, don't spend full price on gas. Come on, it's 2020, use the app, get money off. Okay, thank you all for watching, have a good day, bye.